Good morning everyone. So today I'll be taking you through the process of showing you how to connect my Cardo Packtalk Bold to my 2020 Honda GoldWing Tour DCT, and also showing you how to connect my Android phone, which is a Samsung Note 10 Plus, via Bluetooth to the new GoldWing. We'll also look at what functions on the phone can be used, or what can we play songs or not on the new GoldWing once they both are connected. So let's get started. So the first thing we do is we turn on the Cardo Packtalk Bold, and then we put it into the pairing mode. And now onto the thing on the GoldWing screen, we go into the audio settings and then Bluetooth settings, rider headset pairing, which is already on. We go into inquiry and it's searching. It shouldn't be long. We already see down here that it's showing us the Packtalk Bold. We have to click report and then go down, click on Packtalk Bold. Device paired successfully. Okay, this is done. You see the headset sign there, that means the device is paired. We go back now, back here, and then I have to go into my Bluetooth settings on my phone, connections, Bluetooth. Here we have to go on the GoldWing, we have to go in the phone pairing, which is already on. Go down into inquiry. Okay, and it's searching, and I have my Bluetooth settings on my phone turned on. It's already searching here. So let's see, once Honda GoldWing, it's showing me here. I'll tap on this. It's showing connecting. All right, it's okay. I have to press OK here, and it's also showing I need to connect pair there, so that's there. Device successfully paired. Okay. All right, we go back into audio source, and then let's select the source, which is Bluetooth. It's already here. Let me try playing some music on YouTube, and let's see if it's working. Yep, it's working fine. All right, let's check if we can make calls. So we go into the phone menu. Phone book, yeah, my phone book is all there, so that's good. Okay, and I think we can make calls as well. Yeah, something I noticed that you can't do is while riding you can't make phone calls. You can accept phone calls while you're riding, but you cannot make phone calls. Once you stop, you can't do that. So this is a short process of showing you how to connect your headset to the new GoldWing and also your Android phones. To be honest, you can even use the navigation, but only with the voice commands. So there's nothing that appears on the screen, but if you want, you can turn on the navigation on your phone, and if you can navigate through the voice commands, even that's possible. I think it pretty much does everything. Once the Android Auto comes on the GoldWing, which is supposed to be anytime soon, we should be able to see the navigation up there and also able to make calls while riding. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss on any future upcoming videos. Till next time, ride safe, take care, and I'll talk to you soon.